In this video, we are going to see how we can report someone on the Roblox mobile app. So there are two simple ways of doing this. Either if it is added to your friend list like this one, we open that user up and we scroll down, we click on this three dots next to it, and from here we can get this report option. We click on that and that is the way we can report that person. But if you don't see it on your list or friend list, what you can do is you can just write their username. In this case, here is the username. You need to type this one in the search. Once it shows the results, you click on that and click on the three dots next to it, and you can easily report or block them from here. So this gives us the similar options, but just remember that if you want to report an unknown person which is not already added in your list, you can do it only by searching it on the search bar. You click on that user, you click on this three dots, and either you can block that person or report that unknown person as well. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.